friends. I have a story today called The Toolbox, and this is written by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. In my cellar there is a toolbox. It is dark brown where their hands have touched it. It has a saw and a hammer and nails, and a drill that goes around and around and makes holes in wood. There are little holes. It has screws and a screwdriver, and there is a clamp that holds pieces of wood together. There is a big, strong wrench that turns the big, fat nuts and bolts. And there is a plane that smooths the wood and makes curly shavings. There is a ruler that measures. There are pliers that pinch. There is sandpaper to smooth wood and plaster. There are work gloves, and there is a file to rub on rough edges of metal to make them smooth. There are sharp wire cutters and a roll of wire. There is an oil can with a tiny hole. It is my father's toolbox. The end. So, as we talk about buildings, we will learn that to build buildings, we need tools. So, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.